Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from KuCoin to your MetaMask wallet. So first of all, you have to come on this KuCoin.com and make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, navigate to the top right corner and click on this Assets. In the Assets section, select Main Account. You will see a page similar to this one where you can view your available coins on KuCoin. To transfer Ethereum, go to the Ethereum section and click on the withdraw button. You will be directed to the KuCoin withdrawal page where you will need to fill in the wallet address you want to transfer your Ethereum to. To find this address, open your MetaMask wallet. If you are using Google Chrome, you can access it through the extension page. I recommend expanding the view in MetaMask by clicking on three dots and selecting Expand View for a better interface. Ensure that you have the Ethereum mainnet selected in MetaMask. Once you have the Ethereum mainnet selected, go to your account and click Copy to Clipboard to copy your Ethereum wallet address. Now go back to KuCoin and paste your MetaMask wallet address. Next, select the network. In this case, choose ERC20 since ERC20 tokens including Ethereum are issued on the Ethereum network. After filling in the wallet address and network, enter the amount of Ethereum you would like to transfer. You can manually enter the amount or use the max button to transfer your entire Ethereum balance. The final step is to click confirm. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to go through the security verification process, which typically involves entering your two-factor authentication code. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.